To change your event confirmation email for all of your events, open Box Office Settings from your Ticket Tailor dashboard. Choose Confirmation Emails from the side menu. In the box called Event Confirmation Email, select Edit. By default, you'll see the event editor for in-person events. If you're running an online event, use the drop-down to change the template for online events. Here, you can edit your event confirmation email as you would when editing an email. Use the formatting buttons to bold or italicize certain parts of the text, insert images, or turn text into links. Use the people icon to add placeholders. These can be used to automatically place some attendee or event details into the event confirmation email. Click the Placeholders button and choose the field from the drop-down menu. When you're done, click the button marked Save. There you have it. To edit event-specific confirmations, go to the Events section of your dashboard. Find the event you want to edit and click to open it. Next, choose Event Confirmation from the side menu. Click the button marked Event-Specific Order Confirmation and edit as previously shown. And that's it! You've now learned how to customize your event confirmation emails, whether for all your events or specific ones.